One of the most misunderstood things about AI in organizations is what it's actually doing to skills. It's not just creating new roles, it's changing existing ones. In many jobs, parts of the role are being automated. Tasks that once required experience are now handled by systems. That's de-skilling. But at the exact same time, those same roles are being asked to take on new responsibilities. Judgment, oversight, decision making, that's upskilling. And both are happening inside the same job. This is where organizations struggle. People aren't resisting learning. They're being asked to relearn while the job is still moving. Skills become outdated faster than training cycles. Job descriptions lag behind reality. So employees feel uncertain and organizations feel exposed. The real shift here is this: reskilling is no longer a one-off event, it's an ongoing adjustment. Even at my company Staff Circle, we've just completed our ISO 42001 work, and it's made one thing very clear. We now treat AI-driven upskilling and de-skilling as a continuous process, something that has to be integrated into daily training, not handled as a separate initiative. Because when roles are changing in real time, learning has to move at the same pace.